Hey, I'm John Canosa, the handsome general manager of the m2m practice at ThingWorks, and I'm here to talk to you about our unique platform. So we're going to do four things: give you some background on the company and the product, provide a live demo, run through a quick video on how we did some of the cool stuff in it, and also build something cool right in front of you. We're the first of a new generation of platforms, so we'll be communicating a lot of information today, drinking through the proverbial fire hose. So the first thing I want to say is that we're very different. We're unique in terms of all the people really in the market and specifically within this platform competition. The two major things that really define how we're different is we're a pretty recent company. We were founded in 2009. And secondly, the design of our product at inception was very different than the designs of any other products in the market. First, the challenges we face when we design our product is that we have the millennial generation. Everything has to be social, mobile, searchable, and matchable. And second, instead of 1 billion devices coming on in a decade, there were 50 billion devices that we see coming on in the next 10 years. They're infinitely more varied. There's hundreds of markets they apply to, and we anticipate that there needs to be between 3 and 5 million new applications created. So that was basically the backdrop that we looked at. Secondly, we also saw that really m2m is no longer just about machines. So in this generation m2m, m2m, it's about people, systems, and things. Machines, cloud services, business apps, and people. So our design goal really was to build the first complete platform, the m2m, or what we call the connected world. It had to be end-to-end, meaning completely standalone. It had to be horizontal, so it could apply to all these markets. It had to be extensible, so it could be verticalized by a partner ecosystem. And we really strove for hyper-productivity to support these millions of apps that have to be built. Ultimately, our specific goal is to reduce application development time by a factor of 10. So what were our results? So we're 1.5 years in the market. We've delivered a first complete end-to-end application platform for the connected world, aka m2m. And we have, through our customer feedback, enabled a 10x reduction in application development effort. And how do we do that? You're going to see that today. But it's really three things: a high-level model-based development environment, a search-based intelligence paradigm, and really the third thing is an ecosystem of ThingWorks-ready extensions to continue to help make it easier to build out applications. So instead of providing a single application from one customer, which would give you a slice of what we do, we decided to produce a composite app which shows capabilities and functionality from a number of our customer applications. What we've done is mocked up a regional brew pub, which is really a connected business, and through this we expect to show pretty much all of the capabilities in the product. Specifically in the app, we'll have 4 sources of machine or device data: the iDigi device cloud, one of a ThingWorks partner; Eurotech Cloud, another ThingWorks partner; provisioned by the Ericsson DCP, another ThingWorks partner; direct, using the ThingWorks always-on communication infrastructure, will be through Labellium to beer tank sensors, and through another ThingWorks partner, Verizon Enphase, we'll be getting refrigerator truck data. We'll also integrate the 4 cloud services, SAP as a back-end business system, and Twitter as our social feed. So a lot to show in the demo. So let's talk about how we fit into the 5 categories for this battle of the platforms. A lot of this will be shown during the actual demonstration of the product, but we'll just give you some quick highlights. How do we enable independent app developers? Well, we're truly a platform. We don't build or deliver specific applications, so it requires us to have an application ecosystem. So we have a number of classes, ThingWorks integrators, people who build applications that are powered by ThingWorks, and people who have devices that are pre-integrated into the ThingWorks platform. So we do a great job with independent app developers. In the category of BI control solutions, we've really done something fundamentally different. We've come up with the equivalent of Google for the world of machines. We call it Squeal, so it allows you to search the world of machines and devices just like you would on the internet. We also have an ecosystem of big data analytic partners, 2 of which are SAP with their HANA product, and the second is Numenta. You'll see how we do consistent and automated provision of devices in the demo. In the enterprise deployment category, this is really our background. The founder's last platform company was acquired by SAP. So we understand enterprise issues. So we allow our customers to deploy how they like, whether it be cloud, on-premise, or in a federated fashion. We've built in enterprise security from the ground up. So it's a very secure solution. And because of our integration capability, we allow you to really take advantage of all your existing enterprise assets. And finally, horizontal. We are designed specifically to be a horizontal platform. We sell into a large number of markets. We divide them into these three categories, and you can see in red sub-markets that we actually currently have customers in. So what we plan to show today is a modern horizontal and extensible platform which provides a dramatic reduction in development effort. Thank you.